This is a video to show you how to remove the inner door handle on a BMW X5. This is the E70 model, so I think this is from 2009 through to 2013, but it may apply to other cars as well. This is a 2013 car, so it's a fairly late BMW X5 of this particular model series. These door handles on the inner side, obviously I'm in the UK, so this is a right-hand drive car, this is the passenger door, are really prone to going sticky. You can see the sort of the soft touch rubber coating or plastic coating breaks down. I presume this is just due to the heat within the car. So the nice thing is, most people say you need to take the door card off to remove this inner handle. You don't. It's a really quick, easy fix. This outer skin that's leather wrapped is just clicked into place. There's a couple of clips here that hold this on. There's no bolts at all. So all I did, get a flathead screwdriver. You're replacing the entirety of this anyway, so it doesn't matter if this piece gets damaged, but push it down between and then just release each of those clips and give it a sharp tug. Once you've done that, you need a is Torx screws. So this one's a T20. This one in here, a bit deeper set, is also a T20, and this one is a T10. So I'll just take that off. Careful not to drop it, as I've got a shingle driveway. So take that one off. Take this one off as well. See if I can actually get this into place. Where it's set a little bit deeper, it's a little bit hard to line it up, but it's not awful. There we go. Make sure that's loose. I've got chunky fingers, so I can't get in there, but it is just a case of pull this off. There's the 3 bolts. I replaced this one. This is the used. You can see it's all started to degrade, all a bit sticky. And bought a new one on eBay, which I think cost £7 delivered. So really quick, easy fix. It's just the reverse steps. This is actually quite awkward to do one-handed while trying to film with your phone in your hand, but the fact that I can do it with one hand shows how easy this must be. I've definitely picked the wrong day to do this. It's the hottest day of the year today. I think it's 33 degrees according to the in-car temperature sensor. So it's plenty hot enough here in the UK. Make sure this is on tight, because you don't want any movement in the handle when you pull the door shut. The reason I thought I would do this is because I'm actually selling the car. So particularly where it's such a cheap fix, I thought it made sense to replace this, particularly as it's a touch point in the car, and for £7 it's such a small amount of money and such a small amount of time to do this that it just seemed worth it. There we go. That's that done, and then it is just a case of give this a good push, and then we're back on. Perfect. That's now no longer sticky. I'll check the others while I'm here, I might as well. It's all solid. There's no creaks, there's no groans. So yeah, you need ideally a trim tool to go in this groove, potentially under here, to pull this piece off. If not, a small flathead screwdriver, a T10 Torx screw, so that's the star-shaped one, and also a T20, and one hand. Any questions, let me know. Cheers, bye.